What role do environmental factors play in genetics? Have you ever wondered how the environment interacts with our genes? The role of environmental factors in genetics is fascinating and complex. Let's break it down. Environmental factors can influence how our genes express themselves without changing the actual DNA sequence. This interaction happens through a process called epigenetics. Epigenetics involves chemical changes that can turn genes on or off. These changes can adjust how active a gene is, which in turn affects our traits and health outcomes. For instance, gene expression is sensitive to various external conditions like what we eat, the temperature around us, stress levels, and exposure to harmful substances. A great example is how temperature can determine the sex of certain reptiles. During critical developmental periods, the temperature can alter gene activity, leading to different outcomes. Similarly, the nutrition a mother receives during pregnancy can leave lasting marks on the developing fetus's genes. This can influence health later in life. One interesting aspect of epigenetic changes is that they can be reversible. However, they can also be stable enough to last through cell divisions. This means that the effects of environmental influences can persist over time. Early life experiences, such as stress or nurturing, can create lasting epigenetic marks. These marks can influence how a person responds to stress or their likelihood of developing certain diseases throughout their life. When it comes to family genetic testing and hereditary health, understanding these environmental impacts is essential. It helps explain why two individuals with the same genetic variants may experience different health outcomes. Environmental factors can modify the risk or severity of complex genetic disorders by changing how genes are expressed. This knowledge is beneficial for interpreting genetic test results more accurately. It can also guide personalized prevention or intervention strategies. For example, lifestyle changes or targeted therapies can be tailored based on an individual's unique genetic and environmental interactions. In summary, environmental factors play a significant role in shaping how our genes function. They modify gene expression through epigenetic mechanisms, influencing hereditary health and complex genetic disorders. Understanding this interplay is vital for managing hereditary health and making informed decisions about genetic testing.